Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when it says smart app control blocked an app that may be unsafe. So how you can fix this, let's get started. First what you have to do is open start menu and then open settings. In settings go over to privacy and security and then click on Windows security. After that just click on app and browser control, and here you will find smart app control settings. Open this, and here you have to just select off. It would be on for you guys, so just select it off and then click on yes I'm sure. After this restart your PC and hopefully your problem solves. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.